Okay, we're at 6230 doing a final sewer line inspection to check the condition of the sewer line. So we've pushed the camera out into the county's line. Right now we're in the county's line. We're going to pull the camera backwards towards the house to show the condition of the line and also show the county repair of where they installed a one-way cleanout. So to the bottom right of the screen, you can see that little circle opening. That's the county's one-way cleanout. That's the one that they own. The camera's actually kind of upside down. So we're going to pull the camera backwards towards the house to show the condition of the rest of the line.